Good. This video is about the OEM ODM Services page. So you're right, this page is built out differently. It's built dynamically, so we're pulling all this information from a secondary source. So if I were to click Edit Page, you're not going to see anything. But that's by design. What you're going to see, though, is there is what we call a custom post type. A custom post type for the services, and it's going to be along this left side. So it's this area, services. Okay. Actually, let me go back. So each one of these services is what you see on the front end of this page. Let me view this page. Okay. So yeah, this isn't active, by the way, so please disregard these screens here. We're using a different template and so on. Okay, so each one of these boxes is created on this page. So if you were to create something like the CRC testing, CRC testing, it's right here, CRC testing. And if I were to create like a ninth one, or like how many there are, if I were to create, maybe I should do it really quickly. I don't want to mess with your live site, but you create the name, you create this image, give it a short description. That short description will appear underneath here. So if close this. If I change the short description, it changes it down here. And then if you want to have this more info thing here, you have to click this page, link to full page. Okay. When you click that, what's going to happen is it's going to associate to its subpage. So let's look at branding for a moment. So branding, this page, we'll have to create it. So this is under pages. So if you want like a more info page, we're gonna have to like kind of design it first and create it first. So let's say you create a new service. Let's say for CRC testing, you want to create the full page. We have to kind of like duplicate this page. So I could come in here. It's under pages. It's somewhere else. We put the parent as OEM ODM Services here. And we kind of recreate this whole page with the title CRC testing. So the CRC testing has to be the name of the page, the new page that we create. Okay. So essentially what you could do here is duplicate this page. There is a way to duplicate this page. I don't see where the option is here. Like you could come into all pages, like these OEM like branding. I could duplicate it, call it like CRC testing. And so here is CRC testing. You could click this box and it'll link to that page you create here. Okay. So 3 parts to it all. Let's go back to the front end. 3 parts. So there is the question how to add something to these services. The first step is how to add something to this page. The first step is to go to the services subpage. I mean the custom post type, this link right here. You add something here. Here you add the thumbnail photo, the name, and then this little short description. If you want this more info, what you need to do is duplicate one of these pages and name it the exact same as the service. And then edit that duplicated page so that you have the new information there. Okay, I hope that's clear. It's a little bit more complicated. If you need help here, let us help you. Otherwise, if you have any questions, just call me or email me. Okay, thanks. Bye.